Number one, I store everything in a waterproof bag. In here I have cordage, because if push comes to shove, you could be really, I haven't tried it, but you could be really stubborn and make a fire with this, where you can peel out the insides and you can light that up as well if it's wet outside if you need to. So cordage is always good to have. Ferrocerium rod, which will strike a spark. I keep that in here just because I have all my other fire making stuff there. So yeah, it's pretty much just like that. These ones are good because they last for a long time and they're very dependable, and it's more about the other preparations that you got with you. Pieces of cotton, which will catch one of these sparks really easy, and it will light up pretty good. You don't need to take all of this, you just take like a little piece. And again, this is not, I didn't use anything for this fire. I just used like things that I found around here. And you can use natural material as well. Birch bark. You scrape this with the knife here. I'm sure you've seen this a lot of times, but it actually works. It's really good. So if you're out and if it's dry and you see this laying around, it's great to just pick it up and store it in your waterproof bag. Old man's beard. This is a squashed old man's beard right here. This also catches one of these sparks really good. So I keep this here, they're dry. I keep all of this in my waterproof bag along with the ferrocerium rod, and then I have my knife on me, but I keep the cordage in here as well, and then I just simply seal it up. It's yellow, the bag, so it's a bright color, so it's easy to find if it's dark, or this is something that you don't want to lose. And I just keep this in my front left pocket if you were ever to find me and you need some fire making stuff. So you can check and it should be there. Other things that you can use are pre-made, or that you can buy. You can find this naturally in the woods as well. You can scrape these ones in pretty much two different ways. You can do it like this with a knife, so you get a pretty big chunk like this. This will catch, this will not catch a spark, but once you got a little flame going, this will burn really good. So if you want this to catch a spark, you'd use the flat end of your knife, and you do like little scrapings like this. It will be almost like powder. I think it's hard to see from there, but that will catch a spark eventually as well. That's how to prepare to make a fire. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.